I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself logged out of your Snapchat account due to hacking, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Open Snapchat app. Launch the Snapchat app on your device. If you are already logged out, tap on Login to proceed. Step 2. Tap on Forgot Password. On the login screen, select the Forgot Password option. This will guide you to the recovery process. Step 3. Choose recovery method. You will be prompted to choose how you want to recover your account via phone number or email. Select your preferred method. Step 4. Follow the instructions. If you chose phone number, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the app. If you chose email, check your inbox for a reset link. Step 5. Create a new password. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure it is strong and unique to prevent future hacks. Remember, if you notice any suspicious activity after regaining access, consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Good luck and stay safe online.